In today's video, I will be talking about a step-by-step guide on building a successful dropshipping business. Dropshipping has emerged as a popular and profitable business model, allowing entrepreneurs to start an e-commerce store without the need of inventory or significant upfront investment or physical shop. The step-by-step guide will walk you through the essentials stage of building a successful dropshipping business. Number one, in building a successful dropshipping business, choose your niche. Choose your niche. You need to choose your own niche. A well-chosen niche can make marketing and attract loyal customers. A well-chosen niche can make marketing easier and also attract loyal customers to you. Consider the following factors when choosing your niche. Passion and interest. Choose a niche that you are passionate about and it's also the interest of the people, what people really want, what they desire at a particular point in time. Market demand. Use tools like Google Trends, Amazon bestsellers and social media platforms to gauge the demand for your niche. You need to gauge the demand for your niche. Use Google Trends to do that. Competition. Analyze your competitors to understand the market situations, market saturations and find unique selling points. You need to know whether there's a market for what you want to do, whether your niche is saturated. If it is oversaturated, you might need to go for something that is less saturated. 2, find a reliable supplier. In excelling in a drop shipping business, you need to find a reliable supplier like AliExpress. Your supplier play a crucial role in the success of your drop shipping business. Reliable supplier ensure timely delivery. Reliable suppliers will ensure timely delivery of products and services which are vital for customers' satisfaction. Follow these steps to find trustworthy suppliers. Do your research. You need to do your research. Use directory like AliExpress, like I said earlier on, AliExpress, Oblo, Who to find potential suppliers. The platforms I'm mentioning in this video, you find them in this video description. So it is essential that you find a reliable supplier. AliExpress is one of the best in drop shipping business, e-commerce business. It's a good supplier if you can get in touch with them. Contact suppliers. You need to contact the suppliers. Reach out to suppliers to ask about their product. Make inquiries about the product, shipping time and return policies. You need to make inquiry about the product, the shipping time and return policies. Order samples before committing. Order samples to evaluate the product. You need to evaluate the product and get samples from them. If this is your first time on any Empire TV, please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel so that whenever I drop amazing video like this, you'll be the first to see it and try it out. Number 3, set up your online store. Your online store is your business front end. Your online store is your business front end. It needs to be user friendly. Your online store must be user friendly and visually appealing to your audience, to your viewers. Here is how to set it up. Choose an e-commerce platform like Shopify. You can choose an e-commerce platform like Shopify, Woocommerce, bigcommerce. All of these platforms I'm mentioning, you will find them in the description of this video, are popular choices for drop shipping. These platforms are popular choices for drop shipping, very good platform that you can work with. Design your store. Select a unique and professional theme and customize it to reflect your brand. You need to select a unique and professional theme and customize it to reflect your brand. Choose an e-commerce platform like Shopify, Woocommerce, bigcommerce and the rest of them to market your products. Number 4. Before I go into number 4, as a reason of introduction, my name is Aledare Olabode Esther. I make videos about making money online, investment, financial freedom and the rest of that. If you are getting value from this video, please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel so that whenever I drop amazing video like this, you'll be the first to see it and try it out. Let's move on. Number 4, implement effective marketing strategies like use social media marketing to market your product and services. Social media marketing such as Facebook, Instagram and TikTok, you can use them. Take maximum advantage of these platforms, use them to market. Content marketing, write a quality blog post and videos. Paid advertising, use Facebook advertising, Google advertising and influencer partnership. Use influencer partnerships too to market your business, your dropshipping business. So reach out to a broader audience. You can use influencer partnership to reach out to a broader audience quickly and faster. Number 5, optimize your conversion. Once you have started driving traffic to your store, you have started having traffic in your store, a lot of people are coming on board to see what you have to offer. Optimize your website. You need to optimize your website for conversion, such as user experience. Make your website mobile friendly. Make it load faster and quickly, as quick as